Hello and welcome to the Outpost RV. My name is Jeremy and today we're going to take a look at the Wolf Pup 18RJB. Before we get started, this camper comes in at 22 feet, 8 inches tongue to bumper and weighs right over 3,900 pounds empty. As we get started up front here, we have your power tongue jack with the LED light so you can see at nighttime when you're hooking up. You have your 20-pound LP tank bottle with the quick access lid, and that will be filled by the Outpost RV. This camper does have the black label package on it, which is also going to include the power tongue jack and that hard shell cover there. We have your battery rails directly behind us, so you can drop a battery in and hook it right up. Curved radius front end with the diamond plate rock guard. Part of the black label package is going to be this fiberglass exterior with the deep tinted frameless windows as well. We got your magnetic door catch here with this front storage compartment, built-in LED light, spare tire comes with it. We have your manual jacks, 2 in the front and 2 in the back as well. We also have this LP quick disconnect. So if you bring a portable grill with you, you can tap it in right there and use the gas on the camper instead of bringing an extra tank. Right down here, you'll notice we have this holographic light shining down with the wolf head emblem. So at nighttime, it will really pop and illuminate for you. We have your power awning where each leg is adjustable. If the sun's coming down, you can adjust the pitch of the awning. We have your blue LED accent light up above. You'll also notice the outside speakers light up blue, and we have this black label emblem that lights up blue as well. Oversized grab handle. We have your full-size entrance door. That is the black tempered glass entrance door. Full-size screen door and an integrated window here. Sturdy steps going in. Each leg is adjustable. We have your outside entertainment center with your TV bracket there. TV connections right in the back. This camper also has the adventure package, which is going to give it a 2-inch lift, the diamond plate down below, and these aggressive off-road tires as well. Center cap is popped off. They are the quick, easy loop axles. Each wheel is going to have self-adjusting brakes and a tire pressure monitoring system. How that'll work is the side of this will turn red if you're low on air. So I will unscrew that to demonstrate. That way you can just walk around and do a visual check before you head off for your next destination. We are pet friendly. We have your leash latch so the furry family members can tag along. We have the patio system already set up for you. It's got the entrance door in the back here, screened all the way around. Up above, we have the bright LED lights, backup camera included as well. And the screen wall is also included. You'll see that with our pictures online, so you can roll that down to keep bugs out. Up above, we have your ladder prep. So you can buy a portable ladder, connect it there to get on top for roof maintenance purposes. We do have ventilation in the garage. That way if you're carrying something that's giving off fumes, you can keep it aired out there as well. Down below, we have your sewer hose holder. So that tube is going to be stored down below there. We also have your black tank flush. So when you're done camping for the week or weekend, you can hook up your water hose here and that'll blast out the tank for you. We have your furnace vent. It is a 30 amp unit and it will come with a 25-foot detachable power cord. We have this LED light here, conveniently located by your dump station and connection. So if it's nighttime, you can see what's going on. Gray handle for your gray tank and black handle for your black tank. With the water, we have your outside shower with hot and cold water. And then your water connections are right over here. We have your city water to the right, so if you're at your house or a campground, you can hook up your water hose and that'll pressurize the lines for you. If you're going to be dry camping or boondocking, you can fill up your fresh water tank on the camper, turn on your water pump and use that water. And last but not least, we have your on-demand water heater. It is gas only since it's on demand, but about 60% more efficient than what we've used in the past because it is only using gas when you're running hot water. That'll conclude our outside walkthrough of the Wolf Pup 18RJB Black Label, and now we'll take a look at the inside. As we move to the inside, you'll notice they also have another light shining down that will read Black Label. On your way out of the camper, you'll be able to see that. We got the front bed with the overhead bunk, bathroom directly on the inside here, and we'll get a nice overview of the camper here. Nice and open. And we'll get started right inside here. We have another vent for that cross ventilation for your fumes. That is how you open it in here. We have your main control panel to see how full and empty your tanks are. Turn on your water pump, your lights, and run your awning in and out. This camper is also equipped with 12-volt heating pads on the holding tanks, so you can turn those on right there. This huge picture window with another window right behind it. We have your TV connection right up above the window. The bracket is mounted on the wall, and the connection's up on the ceiling there. Overhead storage. We do have your air conditioner mounted on the roof, and you can see the 3 speakers that light up blue. We have 2 speakers and a subwoofer there. The screen wall that will roll down. In the back here, we have your dinette, which can also turn into another sleeping area for you. That will also fold up out of the way, so you can load your toys up in here. And with the patio system down, really just opens everything up here. Lets in a ton of light and airflow. Over by the kitchen area, we have your 110 outlet, and then a USB and USB-C charge port there. Up above, you have your stereo, which is AM/FM and Bluetooth compatible. We have your voltmeter, overhead storage, microwave with your range vent that will vent to the outside as well. Down below, we have this large kitchen window. We have the high-rise faucet with the pull-out sprayer. Also part of the Black Label package is going to be the upgraded countertops. So this is a solid surface countertop that comes with it. And you can see that huge single bowl sink there. We have some more storage down below, along with your furnace. And then a 2-burner stove with the glass cover as well. There is a 100-watt solar panel mounted on the roof already. We have this 12-volt refrigerator, which is very large in size. It is much deeper than the gas electrics because it doesn't need the same ventilation system. So between that solar and your tow vehicle, you can run that fridge the entire time when you're traveling down the road. We have your breakers and fuses underneath that, carbon monoxide detector, and then the red key is a 12-volt cutoff switch, and that will kill all 12-volt power to the battery for you. Moving up to the front of the camper, on the outside wall of the bathroom here, we are going to have your thermostat, and that will run your furnace for you. Up in the bedroom area, we have the top bunk, a window at the foot of the bed, your queen size mattress that has the pillows and the comforter included, another window up front there. On the far right, that is going to be an inverted 110 outlet. So when you're traveling down the road and you only have 12-volt power, that outlet will be hot for you. So you can plug your computer into that, and you could use that outlet while traveling. We have another USB, USB-C charger there on the left-hand side with the green light on. A couple blue accent lights, and of course your main light right up above there. Moving into the bathroom area, we are going to have the toilet directly on the inside here. Over on the wall to the right of that, we have your thermostat for the on-demand water heater. You can turn it on and off there and adjust the temperature. We have some towel holders. Up above, we have the large exhaust fan, also part of the Black Label package. And as we step inside here, you're going to notice we have the shower surround. And also part of the Black Label package is going to be this really fancy shower head with the multi-sprayer. Still has the wand that comes off the side and the sink built into the side of the shower here. And that will conclude our walkthrough for the Wolf Pup 18RJB-BL. I appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact myself or Henry at 866-338-9845. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.